Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix OBS Studio when it's just not working with Roblox. If you've ever tried to capture your Roblox gameplay and ended up with a mysterious black screen, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have several reliable methods to get OBS Studio recording your Roblox sessions smoothly and confidently. Let's jump straight in. Imagine you're all set up. You've got Roblox open, OBS Studio running, and you're ready to record, but all you get is a blank capture. Here's what you need to do, step by step. First, let's talk about using display capture instead of game capture. This is one of the most simple and effective workarounds, because sometimes Roblox's anti-cheat protections block OBS from using game capture directly. Display capture records everything on your monitor, not just the game window. In OBS, just click the plus sign under Sources, select Display Capture, and choose your main monitor. It'll grab everything you see, including Roblox. Yes, you'll capture pop-ups and desktop activity too, but honestly, for many players, this is the quickest way to bypass those game security blocks. Think of it as using a wide net instead of a fishing pole. You'll definitely catch what you want. Now, if you'd prefer to focus only on Roblox and not your entire screen, try Window Capture next. Head back to the Sources tab, click the plus sign, and choose Window Capture. Here, select the Roblox game window specifically. Just a quick heads up, a lot of users report that sometimes window capture still gives a black or white screen depending on their system. If this happens, don't panic. It's another sign that Roblox's protections are interfering. Sometimes simply trying both display capture and window capture, or swapping their order, can help you find which one works best for your setup. Let's make sure OBS actually has permission to do its job. A really common fix is to run OBS Studio as an administrator. All you need to do is right-click on your OBS shortcut and select Run as administrator. This gives OBS the extra system access it needs, which can make a big difference, especially on newer versions of Windows. If you're recording games frequently, this little step is worth remembering. It's a bit like giving OBS the keys to your PC to do its job properly. Speaking of versions, outdated software can cause all kinds of random glitches. Go ahead and double-check that both OBS Studio and Roblox are updated to the latest versions. Software updates aren't just about shiny new features. They fix bugs, improve compatibility, and sometimes even address those exact recording issues you're running into. Sometimes, a basic reboot is the hero of the day. Honestly, simply restarting your computer can clear out all sorts of temporary hiccups and weird memory issues. Before you dive into deeper tweaks, try a quick restart. Don't underestimate this classic fix. If you're still stuck, it's worth tweaking a few settings in Roblox itself. Locate the Roblox player executable, then right-click, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and check Run as Administrator. You can also experiment with various compatibility modes here. Sometimes, Windows settings from earlier versions can make all the difference. For some folks, changing graphics settings in Roblox helps too. Try disabling Vulkan Renderer in Roblox's graphics options, as this can sometimes improve OBS's ability to capture the game window. Remember, with a little patience and a bit of testing, you'll find the capture method that's right for your system. Every PC setup is a bit different, and Roblox's security features sometimes create unexpected hurdles. That's it. You're ready to record Roblox gameplay on OBS Studio without those annoying blank screens. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you've got questions or want to share your experiences. Make sure you subscribe for more clear tutorials just like this one. Happy gaming and happy recording.